anytime you want.
My small talk topic today is about this Newton magazine. It talked about science in our usual lives. First, there were many things that I liked, but first I liked when butter and oil is the same fat, but butter is solid and oil is liquid in outside temperature. This was because butter had no double bonds,
Oh, say it again. What bonds?
like double bonds
Double
between
bonds between them.
atoms,
Oh, between atoms.
so they can stick well together. But oil has a, a, two or more double bonds, so they remain as liquid.
Oh, so one more time. I couldn't hear it. Sorry, there was a beeping sound.
So they can't, the atoms in the oil can't stick together.
Ah, so the
So
atoms in the oil can't stick together. Okay, got it, got it.
also, I learned about aluminum rusting.
Ooh.
Usually in objects, how should I say? We just artificially rust it.
You just artificially, did you say rust it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because to prevent the inside part of the aluminum not rusted.
Oh, the inside part of the not.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Lastly, I I knew about so many, how should I say, special types of metal
Oh.
in in trashed cell phones.
Oh, really?
They say we can earn about 1 billion tons of metal, iron. No, not metal, iron, and 2,500 pounds of platinum and 6,800 tons of gold.
That's really valuable.
So if we have a technology to earn and use those materials in a buried cell phone, we might have very valuable resources and develop more. Have you ever read this magazine?
Read this magazine? I have not, but I learned a lot of new information because of your wonderful summary. So, wow, that's great. Good. And let's talk about your small talk topic and the comments I have for you, right? So, you definitely improved from the last time you talked. Oh, very nice. So, you did not use the word like incorrectly. There were no unnecessary likes here at all, right? The only time you said like was the appropriate way. So
Oh,
here, which is really wonderful, very very nice, right? So I'm gonna give you some corrections. You had some minor corrections, but overall really wonderful job. So this was good, right? The only change that I would change here or add here, we artificially rusted to prevent the inside part of the aluminum not to rust.
Oh.
You said not rusted, right? But you can say not to rust, right? And you said lastly I knew, right? So if you say you knew something, then that means that you already had that information. But I wanted to change it to that you learned about the special types of metal, right? Okay, and you said in trash cell phones, let's change it to discarded,
Oh.
right?
Oh.
Thrown away, right? Cell phones that have been thrown away. Okay, so we have technology will be non-count, right? And then you said technology to earn. Do you mean like recover, to take back these materials like the metal? Earn means to make money, or
Oh.
to do something in order to gain respect, let's say, or
Mm.
trust, right? So I think instead of using earn, maybe you want to say the word recover. When something is in a different place or lost, you want to get it back somehow, right? Okay, and use those materials in buried and
So far.
discarded cell phones, right? Discarded cell phones. Okay, and you said we might have valuable resources and develop more. When you say develop more, develop what more?
Our technology more.
Ah, we can develop our technology more. There you go. Good job. So if I could give you a score, this is really good. For the TOEFL, you're allowed to make some small mistakes. Some small mistakes, right? So this would get a pretty good score. You could get either a 3.5 out of
Yeah.
4, or you can get a 4 out of 4 for this. You're in this range for the
Okay.
speaking, right? So nice job. The only recommendation that I would have for you is you can practice it a little bit more, right? And you can speak a tiny bit faster.
Um.
Tiny bit faster, but really good. Okay, so let me stop the recording.